Okay, guys, a really interesting company I want to talk about is KITT. This has had a massive monster move up to this upper band, and we're finally coming down into one of the most crucial levels that I like to trade, and that is the EMA 50. Okay, so when I'm looking at this trade here, I love the skipping the EMA strategy. We skipped the 5, we hit the 10, and we had this beautiful bounce of 50%. And then we skipping this 20 here. We had a nice little bounce, not too shabby here, right? From here to here is at 27%. I would have taken that. That was a pretty good bounce here. He went a little under, which is totally fine. He can do that. And then it had a massive bounce. I'm trying to see if we can get this EMA 50. I have no doubt this is, a really good area for the bulls to get in. And then I'm also, I was seeing the weekly there. But this is just a really, in my opinion, it's a pretty solid company. I do see, like, this, kind of holding this trend line here where we're just kind of like, we just need to find where this next low is before we make a new high. But we went from $6 to $2, so we lost a vast majority of the share price. I mean, look at all these down days we had, right? So we have this massive move up. I don't think that this whole candle is, it's just going to be mean nothing. We had a 138% candle one day, and then we went even higher. So we have massive volume, 17 million today. Volume looks good. Company is good. EMA 50 is right here on this area. You can read about the news here. Lots of stuff they've been posting about. And all that good stuff. But yeah, this is one of those things that I'm willing to take the risk. This is a very volatile stock, which is what can get you really massive returns. So you got to be really careful on your stop too. Like, for me personally, I think you need to risk a 20% stop. Okay. It gives you enough wiggle room where if it just goes slightly under, it's fine. But it gives you that wiggle room. If it goes below this 50, you have a little wiggle room for it to go up. So this is one of the best, in my opinion. Lots of volume. I like to see volume on it. I like to see, how high did we hit this upper counter channel? Look how high we went above it. A lot of people got in on these dips way over here. People are back holding massively. But you can see on each EMA, we actually did make a nice return. 47%. On the 20, you made a 25%, not too shabby. And I think this EMA 50 can give us a nice return, okay? So my stop loss would be 20% from this EMA 50. I would like to make at least a 20% gain, kind of a one-to-one risk versus reward. So if I'm trying to risk 20%, I should probably try to get 20% on this. And like I said, I have no doubt that would do that. Here's this beginning uptrend that you can see how we hit this. We skipped the EMAs, my strategy, and you had this massive bounce on the 10. Wish I had that. And as you can see, look at the monster return that you got from that. So definitely keep this on watch. I posted this in the Discord already. I said in the swing trade alerts, already on top of it. This is the screenshot we're watching for the EMA 50. We had lots of other good plays here, but I'll try to keep you guys updated on when I get in. But if you guys do want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord. For my alerts system, will take you to the free chat landing page. This is the stuff we talk about. Is lots of eyes on things, trying to find stocks that are very bullish into an uptrend, and then take those retest type patterns. If you hit day trade alerts, you'll have access to my swing trades and day trades for an all-time low cost of $12 a month. And that is going to be the most cheapest thing, in my opinion, that you will ever find, and with high-quality alerts. I love the day trading section the most. You can make money every single day doing this particular strategy of selling credit spreads that anyone, I think, can do. But yeah, I post everything here. I also have live streams for you to join, one-on-one coaching if you ever need anything. Be like, hey, I don't understand this thing. I don't understand your day trading strategy. Can you kind of like clarify a little more? But this is my strategy of trading with the trend. When you skip an EMA, I don't, we skip from the 20 to here. So I'm trying to play just two areas. I like to play the 10 and the 50. I've noticed the biggest bounces are happening there. For example, the last time on this 10 right in here, the bounce was over. This was a 300% bounce. And then we come back to the 10 and look at this bounce. This was a 40-50% bounce. So I have no doubt on this strong EMA that there's no doubt that we probably can have at least a 20% bounce coming up in here, and maybe retest this EMA 5 for a 43%. Could it, I just, with this big massive candle retracing a majority of the move, I could see this having a nice, big bounce. Okay. So let's keep this one on watch. I'm watching this one for sure. If you guys want to join the Discord, you know where to join. Click the link down below, YouTube comments below. Love to see you. If you do subscribe, Do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee, and it will save you a little bit of money. But and when you hit day trade alerts, all these channels will be unlocked. If you have Android, you will have to use your computer or your phone's browser to subscribe, as they're having issues. But once you do that, everything's going to be fine. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Happy trading.